I found a stray cat that was injured. I decided to take it with me. It couldn't stand properly. I cleaned it first, gave it something to eat, and then took it to the doctor. After a full checkup, the doctor said it was strong. Slowly, it came back to normal. I started taking it out for walks. When we returned, I bathed it and even bought it a new toy. Later, I also bought it a new massager. And one day, it made a new friend. Time passed, and now it has its own children. Like, share, and subscribe to KitLax for more.